Hello, this is a tutorial on increasing productivity with PowerPoint using the screen capture feature. The Blue Cross Blue Shield of Michigan full-year interns have determined that being productive is paramount in today's technologically growing society. At home, school, and at work, they look for ways to achieve more today than they did yesterday. One way to do this is through communication, having an understanding that most information you communicate to others through text and images can be increased with video. The result is a productive multimedia communication module. In this tutorial, we will look at the screen recording feature in PowerPoint 2016 and learn how to utilize this feature in our PowerPoint presentations. The two main functions that will be addressed are, first, adding screen captured content to a PowerPoint presentation. Second, making a PowerPoint presentation play automatically. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to create an automatic slideshow or video using your PowerPoint presentation, initiate screen recording in PowerPoint, set your capture area, record your content, edit and trim your captured video, place it within your PowerPoint presentation, and play. So where's the tool? In the first step, we're going to initiate and locate and activate our tool. So as you can see in the uh, inlay right here on the screen, you're to click the Insert tab at the top of your screen. And then you're to locate the Media section and click the Screen Recording button, as you can see right here. Next, let's record. So we're going to set the area and capture record. So we're going to set up the area that you want to capture using the tool. And you're going to use this area of this tool right here to set the area. If you're recording any activity on a program, now is the time to open that software. Hint, look for the program icon or click the Windows logo to locate. Then you're going to click the button to begin recording. The next step is that we're going to make edits. So you can use the Video Tools ribbon to adjust the length of your capture. So if you notice in the inlay, the video tools will pop up after you've recorded your video, and then you'll go over to this trim feature, the button here, click on that button, and you can shorten the video or cut the first part or the end part of the video as you see fit. I'd like to draw your attention to something. At this point in the tutorial, we're going to begin our screen capture. The capture will simply go over the previous slides and you will see how the look and feel is very similar. When you use the screen capture for your presentations, you will most likely have another program or different feature to capture. So just keep that in mind. So the next thing you need to do is you need to make sure that you have also created a slide that you're going to place your video capture into. As soon as you record, make sure that this slide is on the desk because then the program will place the video directly on that slide. And don't worry if you don't have that slide selected because you can always cut and paste it to a different slide. Hello, so I've created a PowerPoint presentation on how to do a screen capture. And since I already have my presentation designed, I'm going to actually film the screen capture process, and then we're going to place it on a slide to complete our presentation. So first of all, uh, you want to utilize the screen recording feature of PowerPoint. And this screen recording feature can be found in the toolbar up at the top of the screen. So we're going to locate the insert on the toolbar, and that is up here. I've already had it highlighted because I am in the screen capture now. So we know where the tool is, and uh, first thing we want to do is initiate and locate so we can activate it. This is already recording, so no point in going through that. Um, so these screenshots are just to give you a visual indication of where you can find these tools. So next we have the let's record, and that's what I'm actually doing right now, but this is where you're going to set the area and capture and record. And if you notice around the perimeter of the screen, just follow my pointer, you'll see a like a perforated red line. That is how I captured or how I identified the area that I want to capture. If you notice, if I mouse over the top portion, I'll get the drop down with the tools, and we'll get into that in just a moment. But the tools, as you can see, it's already recording. I have my audio selected, and you can see my pointer. You can actually take this feature here and pin that tool so that it does not float away. So once you click the button to begin, you'll start doing what I'm doing right now. So once we get this all recorded, we can make some edits. And the way you're going to do that is you're going to go up here and locate the video tool format. And what happens is once I stop the recording and it goes to the video, you'll get this option. And this is the slide that I already have created so that we can place this video recording within the presentation. So we're going to go here and I'm going to stop the video. So now we're at step 4, and this is where you create the show for automatic playback. I've chosen to demonstrate how to create a video because the video can play on um, any platform. You can upload it to a YouTube. You can play it on anything that will accept an MP4 type of a format. You know that you can also create a slideshow that automatically advances the slide and plays the animations, but that's a different, not too different. It's an alternative to this method, but I like this method because with technology, people can watch your video anywhere and they don't have to have the PowerPoint software installed. So first of all, if you notice at the top of the screen, there is a bar with the word file outlined in red, and that's what you're going to click on to access the export feature. In the export feature, you'll see I have an image here. You'll go down on the side navigation and you're going to click export. That'll bring up the page that you see. Then you're going to click on create a video. Then if you notice the arrow, you'll select your parameters there. You can change whether you want it full HD, whether you want it standard. You could switch that and change it there. You could also change whether you want the video to play all the animations and the recordings and the timings or not. Once you have made those selections, you click on create video and your computer will begin to create the video with those parameters. This may take some time depending on the speed of your computer and how much animation will need to render. So now let's summarize. This video looked at the screen recording feature of PowerPoint 2016. We also learned how to make our PowerPoint presentation play automatically. From steps 2, 3, and 4, we learned how to actually set up the area and edit and then create the video. Step 1 actually helped us to learn how to initiate the whole procedure. So in step 1, we learned how to initiate the screen recording feature. Step 2, we gained knowledge on how to record and set the capture area. Step 3, we learned how to edit our captured screen content. And the final step, step 4, we learned how to place that content on a slide to make a video. I hope you've gained some pointers on how you can increase productivity with PowerPoint's screen recording feature. Thank you for watching.